In exercise 16.2, you can see the question evaluate the following. So there are lot of numerical problems. So I try to solve some problems. So limit x tends to 0 tan ax divided by tan bx. So what if x tends to 0, what will take this form? That is form 0 by 0 form. So what we can do in these situations, that we have a formula for x tends to 0, limit sin x by x is equal to what? Sin x by x is equal to 1. So we must take in this form. So let limit x tends to 0 tan ax by x. So divide numerator and denominator both by x. Again limit x tends to 0 sin ax by cos ax, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta. tan theta is equal to के हुन्छ sin theta by cos theta. So sin ax divided by cos ax, sin bx divided by x, cos bx. So again now separate. So limiting limit theorems. So ax, that is if x tends to 0, ax also tends to 0, ax also tends to 0. Again now so ax limit tends to 0 sin ax by ax. So we have added extra ax to manage this angle, so that is theta by theta, sin theta by theta, to manage this. So we have also, so we add here extra a, so to cancel out, so we have to also multiply here a, so that a and a would be cancel out. Now similarly bx limit tends to 0, sin bx divided by bx. Similarly this extra b to be cancelled out by this b. So now limit x tends to 0, sin ax by ax is equal to limit ax tends to 0, a by ax. So again b limit x tends to 0, sin bx by bx dot bx limit x tends to 0, b by cos bx. So this whole limit x tends to given by 1, and as x limit x tends to 0 tends to cos x, this will give 1. So this is 1. So here this whole gives you 1 and this whole gives you 1, that is a by b is the answer. Again number 6, limit x tends to a, sin x minus a divided by x square minus a square. So 0 by 0 forms. So what we have to do, that is so sin ax by x minus a, limit x minus a tends to 0 give you 1. So this is the main purpose. So first of all, x square minus x square can be factorized, that is x minus a into x plus a form. So do first. So limit x minus a, that is x minus a into x plus a. Now separate this. So limit x minus a, that is if x tends to a, that is x minus a tends to 0. So x minus a, limit x tends to 0, so sin x minus a divided by x minus a into limit x tends to a, that is 1 by x plus a. So now again 1, so this whole gives you 1, and substitute x by a, that is 1 by a plus a, that is 2a, is the answer. So now next number, again 15 number, limit x tends to 0, tan x minus sin x divided by x cube. So what we have to do in first situations, that is here if we substitute x is equal to 0, here x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0, that will take the form 0 by 0. So this is indeterminate form. So limit x tends to 0. So tan x can be written by sin x by cos x minus sin x divided by x cube. So how it comes? That is sin x by cos x minus sin x. So if we sin x common, if we take sin x common, then cos x minus 1 हुन जान्छ. So अब एलसीएम लिएर यो त cos x नै हुन्छ. So 1 minus cos x. Okay. So sin x common and 1 minus cos x by cos x. So now 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 times of sin square x. That is, we know that formula, cos theta is equal to 2 sin square 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. That is, we can write 2 sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta. So this is 2 times sin square 2 times sin square cos by 2 by x cube, and this is the sin x. Now separate or apply limiting theorem. So after applying limiting theorem, x limit tends to 0, sin x by x limit x tends to 0, 2 sin square x by 2 x square and 1 by cos x. So this again gives you 1, okay, by formula, limiting formula. So limit x tends to 0. So to apply a limiting formula in these functions, so again we have to arrange, because here angle is x by 2. So denominator also should be x by 2, that is x square. So now limit x tends to 0, 1 by cos x. So as x tends to 0, cos x will give you 1. So this is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Now take constant outside, that is 1 by 4 to make x by 2. So to cancel out 1 by 4, that is also multiply 1 by 4 numerator and denominator. So now 2 and 1 by 4 should be comes out, this is constant. And again limit x by 2 limit, that is as x tends to 0, x by 2 also tends to 0. So this यो दिमागमा राख्नुपर्छ. And 1 by 2 is equal to x by 2 limit x tends to 0 is equal to sin x by 2 divided by x by 2 को whole square. So now whole square, so this again gives you 1, that is 1 को square. So 1 को square is equal to 1 नै हुन्छ, त्यसैले 1 by 2. This is the answer. Again 17, limit x tends to pi by 2 sec x minus tan x. What is in the form? Infinity minus infinity form. So here limit x tends to pi by 2 sec x minus tan x, infinity minus infinity form. So limit x tends to pi by 2, 1 by cos x minus 1 by sin x cos x. So is again limit x pi by 2 is equal to 1 minus sin x divided by cos x, 1 minus LCM cos x नै हुन्छ. Again it is in 0 form. So now here from here यहाँबाट के गर्ने, x is equal to pi by 2 plus y राख्ने, के गर्ने x is equal to pi by 2 plus y राख्ने, so that when x is equal to pi by 2, when x tends to pi by 2, y tends to 0. So now this function can be written as limit y tends to 0, 1 minus sin. So x should be replaced by pi by 2 plus y. So sin pi by 2 plus y divided by cos pi by 2 plus y. Now continue. So from here, now one sine A plus B is equal to what? Sine A into, that is sine A plus B is equal to sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. So this is the formula. So now put this formula according to this. Sine A, that is pi by 2 into cos y plus cos pi by 2 into sine y, divided by again cos A minus B वाला फॉर्मूला राख्ने. यसको के हुन्छ? cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. यसको फॉर्मूलामा राख्ने. So according to this, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, cos pi by 2 is 0, and sin y remain sin y. So again cos pi by 2 is 0 and cos y, minus 1 sin pi by 2 is again 1 sin y. So minus, so in the numerator in the numerator what remaining? So 1 minus cos y, 1 minus only cos y remaining. So now minus sin y. So what we again write? 2, that is 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta हुन्छ 10 class को. And again sin y. So sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So here also can be written as sin y by 2 cos y by 2 and 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and 1 sin square y by 2 and sin y by 2, एउटा sin y by 2 के हुन्छ? हट्छ. So sin y by 2 divided by cos y by 2 again. So y tends to 0, y by 2 is also tends to 0. So y by 2 limit x tends to y tends to 0 sin y by 2 divided by minus 1 y by 2 limit x tends to cos y. So this tends to 1. अब यो चाहिँ अब यो 0 by 0 फर्ममा छैन. सो डाइरेक्ट भ्यालु राख्दा पनि हुन्छ, तर यस्तो लेख्दा पनि केही बिग्रिदैन हैन. नाकुरी sin y by 2 यो पनि ठिकै हो हैन, माइनस cos y by 2. सो यसलाई यसरी लेख्दा नि हुन्छ अनि डाइरेक्टली भ्यालु राख्दा पनि हुन्छ. सो दिस विल गिभ यु 0 and minus 1. 0 by minus 1 is equal to again 0. Now limit x tends to theta x cos theta minus theta cos x divided by x minus theta. अब यसमा के हुन्छ भने यदि x tends to कुनै कन्स्ट्यान्ट वा समथिङ दिएको छ भने खास गरेर यसमै सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नुपर्छ. x is equal to something or given constant plus y or a plus h. So in this numerical, limit x tends to theta x cos theta minus theta cos x by x minus theta. So this also takes 0 by 0 form. So यसमा के गर्ने? Put x minus theta is equal to h, so that when x tends to theta h tends to 0. So now substitute. Now this function can be written as limit h tends to 0. So x is replaced by theta plus h, that is x is replaced by theta plus h. So replace, and cos theta and minus theta remains constant, cos theta again x is replaced by theta plus h and divided. X minus theta is equal to h, we have already put, so divided by h. Now again here limit h tends to 0. So this theta and this theta here should be common in this. So only h cos theta, this h should be multiplied. So h cos theta plus h theta, and this cos theta is here. Now theta cos theta is theta cos theta minus minus is in this numerical before, so minus cos theta plus h, minus cos theta plus h divided by h, limit h tends to 0, h cos theta plus theta times 2 sin h plus 2 theta by 2 डट साइन एच बाई 2। अब यसमा के हुन्छ भने यो कहाँबाट आयो त, यो खास गरेर cos d माइनस cos c यस्तो हुन्छ, cos d माइनस cos c इज इक्वल टू के हुन्छ त 2 टाइम्स sin c plus d divided by 2 into sin c minus d divided by 2. This is the formula of cos d minus cos c. So now this is cos d and this is cos c. So c plus d, c plus d, h plus 2 theta by 2 into sin c minus d, c minus d. So theta will be cancelled out. So h by 2 is remaining divided by h. Now separate all these. So h tends to leave 0 cos theta. So this here is plus. So h and h will be cancelled out. Only cos theta is remaining. 2 theta. Here is theta constant. 2 is also constant. Limit h tends to 0. Sin 2 theta plus h by 2. Limit h tends to 0, sin h by 2, h by 2. So here h by 2 we have arranged this h by 2. Here is not h by 2. So here is h by 2. So what we have done is here, so arranged h by 2. So 2 cancel h by 2, again multiply 1 by 2. So now this already gives you cos theta plus 2 theta into sin theta into 1. So how if this tends to 0, so theta by 2 is 2 theta by 2 is again sin theta. So sin theta 2 theta, here is sin theta, and this gives you 1 and this is 1 by 2. So again 2 and 2 is cancel out. So finally we get the cos theta plus sin theta, that is cos theta plus sin theta. नेक्स्ट 29 को मैले डी गर्न खोजेँ। लिमिट एक्स टेन्स टू 0 ax प्लस b टू दी पावर x माइनस 2 बाई एक्स। हामीले पढेको फर्मुला के हो भने लिमिट एक्स टेन्स टू 0 ax माइनस 1 डिभाइडेड बाई x हुँदाखेरि त्यसको फर्मुला के आउँछ त log a. So arrange in this way that give you directly limit formula. So ax minus 1 plus bx minus 1 can be written. Now separate from here and from here. So x limit x tends to 0 a to the power x minus 1 divided by x plus limit x tends to 0 bx minus 1 divided by x. So now this directly give you log a and this directly give you log b. So log a and log b can be written as in multiplication form, that is log ab. This is your answer. Again 30 को b, here x limit x tends to pi by 2 cos x divided by log x minus pi by 2 plus 1. This is also form of 0 by 0 indeterminate form. यसमा पनि के गर्ने, x is something constant given छ, त्यसैले let put x is equal to pi by 2 plus y, so that when x tends to pi by 2, when x tends to pi by 2 y tends to 0. So यसमा के हुन्छ limit x tends to pi by 2 cos x log x minus pi by 2 plus 1. This function can be written as y limit y tends to 0 cos. अब x लाई के गर्ने रिप्लेस गर्ने, के ले रिप्लेस गर्ने pi by 2 plus y ले divided by log y plus 1 divided by log y plus 1. So now this can be limit y tends to 0 minus sin y, that is अब यसमें के हुन्छ भने थीटा प्लस π/2 हुँदाखेरि यो सेकेन्ड क्वाड्रेन्टमा पर्न जान्छ। यो π/2 90 डिग्री भएकोले यसको साइन हुन जान्छ र यो सेकेन्डमा cos थीटा के हुन्छ नेगेटिभ हुन्छ, त्यसैले के हुन्छ माइनस साइन थीटा। सो माइनस साइन y डिभाइडेड बाई माइनस साइन y log y प्लस 1। सो अगेन लिमिट x टेन्स टु 0। अब न्युमिरेटर र डिनोमिनेटर दुईटीमा के गर्ने y ले डिभाइड गर्ने ताकि y र y क्यान्सल आउट हुन्छ। तर हामीले यहाँ क्यान्सल आउट गर्नु छैन हैन, फर्ममा ल्याउनु छ किनकि साइन थीटा बाई थीटा र लिमिट थीटा टेन्स टु 0 हुँदा यो पनि 1 दिन्छ। त्यस्तै गरेर log 1 प्लस x डिभाइडेड बाई x र लिमिट x टेन्स टु 0 हुँदाखेरि कति आउँछ त 1 आउँछ। सो arrange these in these two form। सो sin y by y minus 1 बाहिर निकाल्दा पनि हुन्छ, लिमिट y टेन्स टु 0 sin y by y and लिमिट y टेन्स टु 0 log 1 plus y plus 1 divided by y minus 1 divided by 1 divided by 1। so this is -1 एन्सर। तपाईहरु के गर्नु भने सबै एक्जाम्पलहरु एकचोटी पढ्नु, बुझ्ने प्रयास गर्नु, त्यसपछि मात्र एक्सरसाइज गर्नु। तर यसको साथसाथै अब 9 10 को फर्मुलाहरु sin a प्लस sin b वाला फर्मुला cos e प्लस cos d वाला फर्मुला, यो सबै फर्मुलाहरु जुन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सँग रिलेटेड छ 9 10 को सबै याद हुनुपर्छ। यसको लागि धेरै नै काम लाग्छ यो, ल गर्दै गर्नुस्। त्यसपछि म अब नेक्स्ट च्याप्टरमा जाने प्रयास गर्छु। थ्यांक यू।